we're all set up. Should we do a show? We could. BOOZHOO! Kakina Awiya! Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. My name is Emily Aubrey. This is Michael Lyons. Hey, everyone. How you doing? And today, baby, we're going to talk about something very important. What do you want to talk about? Oh, I don't know. Should we teach them the Ojibwe word of the day? Oh, I'm so sick of teaching the Ojibwe word of the day. What do you want to know? Miigwech, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Miigwech, miigwech, miigwech. Thank you for watching our show, for learning a little Ojibwe. Maybe I should tell a story. Should I tell a children's story? You could. Like, once upon a time, back in the days of the grandfathers, there was this little girl. They called her Little Red Riding Hood because she wore a red riding hood. She wore a red hood when she went riding, apparently. Riding her bike? Riding a horse? I don't know. And she had a terrible mother. One day, her mom said, listen, I want you to take this basket of goodies over the hill and through the woods to your grandmother's house. And Little Red Riding Hood was like, what? You want me to go into the woods? How far is Grandma's house? I'm just a little girl. But, you know, it was the old days in Germany. They were like, oh, you're a little girl, so you can handle it. But be careful of the wolves that are out in the woods. And so Little Red Riding Hood went off. And sure enough, Big Bad Wolf comes walking up. And he's all like, hey, Little Red, what you got in the basket? And she goes, well, there's some goodies for my grandma. And the Big Bad Wolf goes, oh, that's nice. Well, have a nice day. And he leaves. He leaves her alone. Or so we think. But, so Little Red Riding Hood, keeps on her way through the woods and over the hill. To grandmother's house we go. And then she gets to grandma's house. And she knocks on the door. And the Big Bad Wolf opens the door. And he's dressed in grandma's clothing and her glasses. And he assumes Little Red Riding Hood is stupid. And Little Red Riding Hood is kind of stupid. And she goes, okay, am I in the right house? Grandmother, is that you? And the Big Bad Wolf's like, yeah, it's me. Look, I'm wearing old lady clothes and a little bonnet or something. Goes, well, Grandma, what big eyes you have. The big eyes? Yeah, I guess. The better to see you with. Goes, oh, okay. What big ears you have. Oh, well, the better to hear you with. And then she goes, Grandma, set aside the fur and the tail and the fact you're a canine, who's obviously killed my grandmother, eaten her, and put on her clothes like some sort of psychopath transgender. She goes, Grandma, what big teeth you have. And the wolf goes, oh, the better to eat you with. And he ate her up. So then, a friendly woodsman or something, he comes walking in. Hey, did you just eat this old lady and a child? Well, I'm going to kill you. So he kills the wolf, cuts him open, and out pops Little Red Riding Hood and the grandmother. They're fine. And this is the story of Little Red Riding Hood. Beloved children's story. For the ages, for generations. I'm sure Disney's probably done a movie on it. Get that, the chick from, Little Red, what do they call that? Snow White? Yeah, Snow Woke. Look, we should get that actress to play Little Red Riding Hood. Anyway. And this has been your story hour. To learn more about, Brothers Grimm, bizarre. What is the moral of that story? I don't know. Don't trust wolves. Yeah, don't trust wolves. This is the moral of the story, kids. To learn more, visit your local library. Anyway, you want to do a song? Sure. Here's a song called Home. And Michael wrote it. Hope you like it. I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. And I wanna go home. My brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go. I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, "Where do you think you're going?" Boy, I said, "I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Me